God says, peace cannot enter a house filled with anger and quarrels. My child, I see everything that happens within the walls of your home. I hear every word spoken in anger, every harsh argument, every wound caused by pride and impatience. Today I am calling you to listen carefully, because many people pray for blessings while unknowingly allowing conflict to rule their homes. A house is not made holy by its size, wealth, or appearance. A home becomes blessed when love, respect, kindness, and forgiveness live there. When anger is allowed to grow unchecked, it slowly steals joy from every heart. When people constantly criticize, blame, and hurt one another, peace begins to disappear. My child, understand this truth. Anger itself is not always the problem. The danger comes when anger controls your words and actions. A moment of uncontrolled anger can create pain that lasts for years. Many families carry wounds today because someone spoke without thinking or acted without love. I do not want your home to be a place of fear, tension, and sadness. I want it to be a place where people feel safe, valued, and loved. I want your family members to encourage one another rather than tear each other down. I want your words to bring healing instead of hurt. If there is conflict in your home, begin by examining your own heart. Do not spend all your time focusing on the mistakes of others. Ask yourself if there is bitterness, pride, jealousy, or unforgiveness that needs to be removed. Real change often starts with one person choosing humility. My child, learn the power of gentle words. A soft answer can calm a heated situation. Kindness can stop an argument before it becomes a battle. Listening with patience can prevent misunderstandings from growing into lasting divisions. Many people ask me to bless their homes, but they continue feeding anger, gossip, and resentment. If you want peace, you must make room for it. Remove habits that create unnecessary conflict. Refuse to speak words that destroy trust. Choose forgiveness even when it feels difficult. Remember that forgiveness does not mean pretending the hurt never happened. It means refusing to let pain control your future. When you forgive, you free your heart from the chains of bitterness. You make room for healing and restoration. My child, pray together whenever possible. A family that seeks me together grows stronger together. Invite me into your conversations, your decisions, and your daily life. My presence brings wisdom where there is confusion and peace where there is turmoil. Do not allow small disagreements to become permanent walls between you and those you love. Life is precious and time is limited. Value your relationships. Show appreciation. Speak words of encouragement. Let your family know they matter. If your home has been filled with arguments and tension, do not lose hope. No situation is beyond my power to restore. I can heal broken hearts, repair damaged relationships, and bring peace where conflict once lived. But you must be willing to cooperate with my guidance. Today I ask you to choose love over pride, patience over anger, understanding over judgment, and forgiveness over resentment. Every choice you make moves your home either closer to peace or closer to conflict. My child, I desire peace for your family. I desire unity for your home. Open your heart to my wisdom and allow my love to guide your words and actions. As you seek peace, you will discover that my blessings begin to flow in ways you never expected. Trust me, walk in love, speak with kindness, forgive freely, and watch how I transform your home into a place of comfort, joy, and peace. My child, I know the pain that fills a home when there is constant fighting and misunderstanding. I see the tears that are hidden, the words that are left unspoken, and the wounds that are carried silently in the heart. Today, I want you to listen carefully because this message can change your life and your family. A home should be a place of love, comfort, and peace. It should be a refuge from the troubles of the world. But when anger, pride, and harsh words take control, that peace begins to disappear. The atmosphere becomes heavy, and the hearts of those living there become troubled. My child, many people ask why they do not feel my presence in their homes. They pray for blessings, prosperity, and happiness, but they continue to hold on to resentment, bitterness, and unforgiveness. How can peace grow where anger is constantly being watered? I am calling you today to become a peacemaker. Stop allowing small disagreements to become large battles. Not every argument needs to be won. Sometimes true victory comes through patience, understanding, and humility. Be careful with your words. Words have power. They can build a person up or tear them down. A single harsh sentence can leave scars that remain for years. Before you speak, ask yourself whether your words will bring healing or hurt. My child, if someone in your family has offended you, do not allow hatred to take root in your heart. Forgiveness is not weakness. Forgiveness is strength. It frees you from the prison of anger and opens the door for my peace to enter your life. Remember that every family faces challenges. No home is perfect, but homes that choose love over pride and forgiveness over revenge become stronger. Through every trial, they become places where my blessings can flourish. I want you to pray for your family. Pray even for those who hurt you. Pray for wisdom, patience, and understanding. When you invite me into your home daily, I can heal what seems broken and restore what appears lost. Do not let gossip, criticism, and negativity become normal in your household. Replace them with gratitude, encouragement, and kindness. Speak words that inspire hope. Show respect even during disagreement. My child, peace is not the absence of problems. Peace is the presence of my love in the middle of those problems. When you trust me and follow my ways, I will help you navigate every conflict with wisdom and grace. Today, make a decision. Refuse to feed anger. Refuse to continue old arguments. Refuse to let pride destroy relationships that are precious. Choose understanding. Choose patience. Choose love. When a family walks in unity, great blessings follow. Hearts are healed, relationships are restored, and joy returns. My presence becomes stronger, and the home becomes a place of comfort and strength. Trust me, my child, no matter how much conflict has existed in your home, I can bring restoration. I can replace chaos with peace, sorrow with joy, and division with unity. Nothing is impossible for me. Open your heart today and allow my peace to rule your home. Let love guide your actions and let forgiveness guide your relationships. As you do this, you will see wonderful changes begin to take place. Type Amen if you invite God's peace and blessings into